Hey friends, how are you? I hope you're having a great day today. Today we are going to make a reindeer, so let's get started. The first thing that we're going to do is we're just going to make an oval shape for our reindeer's head. This is not going to be a complete body of a reindeer, but just his head and maybe a little bit of his shoulders. After you make your oval, then we'll make some ears coming out on the sides. And then on the inside of those ears, we're going to make some letter C's or upside down U's. So big upside down U's, small upside down U's. Now at the top, we're going to put some antlers, and I like to just make some simple antlers like this. So they're really long upside down U's, and then make one more coming out the side. If you'd like to make your antlers more complex by making them taller or with more coming out from the sides, you can go ahead and do that. Now let's make our reindeer's eyes. So I like to make my reindeer eyes wide set, meaning that they're not really close to each other on the face. They're not like right here, they're more far apart, they're wide apart. And then let's make a nose, an oval shaped nose with a shine mark at the top. That's another oval, and then we fill in the bottom part of our nose. That way the sun reflects off of the top, or the light reflects off the top of this. And then we make a line coming straight down. Let's put a few dots right here on the side for a little bit more detail. Now let's put a collar on our reindeer. And the way that I like to make a collar is just make two lines coming down and then one line coming across. And if you'd like to put some bells on your reindeer, you can go ahead and do that. And then we'll make some curved lines coming down, and these are going to be his shoulders. And then his tummy and his arms are down here. So I'm going to make this like this. This is for his tummy. All right, so let's make a background for our reindeer. I'm just going to make some snow. So I come along with a line that has a little bit of a curve to it. I jump over my reindeer. I don't want to go right through my reindeer, do I? And then I come out the other side. And then I think I'd like to make a sloping hill back here in the background. So I come down. Oh, I hit my reindeer. I come across, and then I finish it up over on this side. So it looks like the hill continues behind the reindeer. I'd like to make a few trees. The way that I like to make trees is I just make a triangle, another triangle right underneath, and then I always remember to get my trunk in there. Maybe I'll put one over here. These remind me of pine trees. Remember, this is a cartoon. It's not really realistic. Okay, another trunk right here. So he's in the snow, up in the mountains. Maybe we'll put a few clouds in the sky, showing that it's a nice, bright day. Maybe one over here. Maybe even a small one down here. Oh, I think he looks really cute. I'm happy with him. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.